Let's see how you can add audio to your Canva video on your Windows or Mac. For that, you have to open up your Canva and select the video you want to edit. Click on the screen again. Now go to Uploads from the menu, then click on Audio. You need to upload your audio file, so make sure it's saved on your PC. Select your audio and wait for it to upload. Once uploaded, just click on the audio file and it will be added to your video. You can up and down the volume from the menu bar, customize fade in and fade out effects, and even sync beats. If needed, use the enhance voice feature to improve audio quality. You are all done. Isn't it really amazing? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.